Hi everyone, it's Brian here. I just want to let everybody know about these microphones that we have here at church. This is a Samson CO1 studio condenser microphone. The deal with this microphone is you don't talk into the top of this up here, like up here. Being this is a condenser microphone with the pickup pattern, you actually talk into it right here. The diaphragm in the microphone actually picks up the sound is in the side. So when the system's all powered on, there will actually be a green light right here that comes on. So you want to do is you want to talk into it, the side of the microphone. Do not turn it towards you like this. It's just not going to work, and it's going to pick up a bunch of noise because it's actually picking up a pattern out this direction. So you want to do is make sure you pick it up, or you talk into it this side because of the way the pickup pattern is. I'll actually put a picture in this video to show you what the pickup pattern looks like. All right, everybody, have a good day, and thank you. Bye.